A faucet is an essential part of a kitchen sink, giving you convenient access to water whenever you need it. The best touchless kitchen faucet allow you the additional convenience of not having to turn the tap every time you need access to water and then turn the tap again to shut off the water stream. Having to touch the faucet tap can be tricky when you have something in your hands, such as a pot when you're getting water for food. It's also less hygienic and takes more time. Plus, you have a chance of closing the tap improperly, causing water to continue to drip, potentially under your cabinet if there is a leak without your knowledge. When you buy one of the best touchless kitchen faucets, however, there is no need to worry about any of these downsides. You simply wave your hand in front of the motion sensor and water will start to flow out of the faucet. We've researched and discovered the 7 top-rated touchless kitchen faucets as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best touchless kitchen faucets plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Moen Arbor Motionsense Wave Sensor Touchless One-Handle High Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. After extensive research, we found the best touchless kitchen faucet to provide you with the perfect balance between price and value. The Moen Arbor Motionsense Wave Sensor Touchless One-Handle High Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet is the best option currently on the market. This faucet is made from high-quality stainless steel that will not only be durable, especially considering the fact that the faucet is made to allow water to run through it continuously, but also features a spot-resistant coating. The sink faucet only requires the wave of your hand to activate and will automatically turn off the water stream when your hand is not in front of the sensor anymore. The sensor is placed in a convenient location. The power spray feature also allows for a more powerful flow of water. Installation of the Moen Arbor Motionsense Wave Sensor Touchless One-Handle High Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet is also considerably easy. Coming in at number 2, Moen Brantford Motionsense 2-Sensor Touchless One-Handle High Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. The Moen brand is known for their exceptional quality in terms of manufacturing faucets and other products, which is why we decided to look for the best touchless kitchen faucet by Moen on the market. We decided to award the Moen Brantford Motionsense 2-Sensor Touchless One-Handle High Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet as the award winner. This product might be more expensive than some of the other options on the market, but the quality, convenience, and overall features make up for the value of its higher price tag. The Moen Brantford Motionsense 2-Sensor Touchless One-Handle High Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet is also incredibly easy to install in your kitchen. The sensors used in this sink faucet deliver exceptional performance in terms of accuracy, especially when compared to some of the alternatives options on the market. The faucet is covered with a spot-resistant layer, which ensures the product will always look great. It's also available in 3 different color varieties, including stainless steel, chrome, and oil-rubbed bronze. Coming in at number 3, Kohler Sensate Touchless Kitchen Faucet. If you are keen on buying a product manufactured by the Kohler brand due to their exceptional quality status, then the best touchless kitchen faucet by Kohler you'll be able to find will be the Kohler Senseless Touchless Kitchen Faucet. This is one of the more expensive options on the market, but it's manufactured by one of the top brands in the plumbing industry. The Kohler Sensate Touchless Kitchen Faucet comes in 4 different options, including the standard vibrant stainless option, as well as a vibrant stainless with black accents option. The other 2 options include polished chrome and a polished chrome option with black accents. It's easy to install this kitchen faucet thanks to the magnetic technology that is built into the faucet. The internal construction was built to prevent the buildup of minerals in the faucet, which also makes this a more hygienic and safer option to choose. Looking to learn more about the best touchless kitchen faucets in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Touchless Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer by Forious. For those who are looking for a more affordable option when it comes to buying a faucet that features a motionless operation, the touchless kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer by Forious might be an ideal option to consider. The product comes with a pull-out sprayer that makes it easier to use when washing the dishes. The standard faucet features a single hole, but an additional mount is included that provides a spraying option as well. The faucet comes with a single handle that's used to regulate the temperature of the water, and the sensor is placed at the bottom of the faucet, making it easier to activate and deactivate the stream of water. In addition to the automatic detection feature provided by the built-in sensor, a manual setting button is also available, which can be used to open up the water stream and close it afterwards manually. Coming in at number 5, BioBidet Flow Motion Sensor Kitchen Faucet. The BioBidet Flow Motion Sensor Kitchen Faucet is another affordable option that comes at a convenient price and with a range of convenient features that will make gaining access to water in your kitchen easier, faster, and of course also more hygienic with no touches to the tap at all. The faucet comes in 3 varieties that you can choose from upon purchase, including the default chrome option along with a brushed nickel and an oil rubbed bronze option. There's also a limited edition available. This faucet is battery operated, which means you don't need to hardwire anything. The sensors are conveniently placed, and the faucet was designed to be easy to install, unlike some of the options on the market that may lead to excessive expenses when hiring a plumber to install the faucet. The top part of the faucet can be detached and used as a sprayer and will automatically retract when not in use. Coming in at number 6, Moen Align Motionsense Wave Sensor Touchless One-Handle High Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. Another great option from the Moen brand would be the Moen Align Motionsense Wave Sensor Touchless One-Handle High Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. This is another high-end touchless faucet that also holds a higher price, but it's made from top quality materials that are durable. The sensor used in this kitchen faucet has been made to deliver outstanding performance and to ensure no faults will occur that might make it difficult to operate the touchless faucet. As with most of the faucets manufactured by the Moen brand, the Moen Align Motionsense Wave Sensor Touchless One-Handle High Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet was made to be easy to install in your kitchen. The flexible hose design makes it easy to use the faucet as a sprayer as well, and you get to choose if the water should be dispensed through a single hole or rather through an attached mount that contains 3 holes. Coming in at number 7, Pfister's Stellen React Touch-Free One-Handle Electronic Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. And the last touchless kitchen faucet on the list is the Pfister Stellen React Touch-Free One-Handle Electric Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. This kitchen faucet is ideal if you're looking for a high-end faucet that will not break the bank but still provide you the quality you need to ensure you will not have to call a plumber or replace the faucet anytime soon. The faucet's available in 3 varieties that you can choose from, including stainless steel, matte black, or polished chrome. The React sensor technology built into the faucet allows for detection of movement within a 3-inch range. The Smart Stop technology also ensures the faucet will automatically close the stream if no activity is detected within a certain period of time. Furthermore, you can see easily which faucet to manually operation, which allows you to press a button in order to stop or start the flow of water. A plug-in power adapter comes included with the purchase of the Pfister Stellen React Touch-Free One-Handle Electronic Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet, ensuring you have an adequate supply of power in the faucet as long as 2 years. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite touchless kitchen faucets. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com touchless kitchen faucet to avoid. Kohler Barossa with Response Touchless Technology Single Handle Pull Down Sprayer. After considering the most ideal touchless faucets that you can opt for when you add to one of these convenient products in your kitchen, in addition to providing you with an overview of the top options to choose from, we wanted to share the worst touchless kitchen faucet on the market. Buying the wrong option could lead to a problematic product that does not function as you need it to function, which means you might end up having to replace it sooner than later, leading to a loss on your side. The Kohler Barossa with response touchless technology single handle pull-down sprayer is a particular option that you don't want to opt for if you're looking for a quality faucet that will not let you down. This product is relatively expensive considering some of the alternative options that are available and is known to be unresponsive in many cases. This may cause you to find it difficult to dispense water when you need it the most. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying one of the best touchless kitchen faucets. Looking to add a new convenient way to your kitchen to gain access to water in an instant and without manually touching a faucet? Why not consider adding one of the best touchless kitchen faucets to your kitchen and home decor? These faucets are excellent for opening and closing the stream of water in your kitchen without having to turn a tap or touch anything. What this means is that you gain access to a more hygienic method of utilizing your water supply in your kitchen, whether you wish to wash your hands or perhaps pour water in a pot in order to cook up a nice dinner for your family or friends. Looking to learn more about the best touchless kitchen faucets in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite touchless kitchen faucets. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.